It's okay. I'll just put it on the card. That's what credit cards are for. I'll deal with it next month. A wise man once said, easy choices lead to a hard life, yet hard choices lead to an easy life. And credit card, they feel like the easy choice during emergencies. Today, I want to show you why that one swipe is often what keeps people stressed, stuck, and tired around money. And more importantly, what to do instead, starting today. By the end of this video, you will know why credit cards makes emergency worse. The simple truth banks don't advertise, and how to build a $1,000 baby emergency fund that brings real peace. No shame, no guilt, just calm, smart money moves. If this already sounds like you, go ahead and hit subscribe. You are in the right place, and we are going to fix this together. The trap. Swiping in an emergency. Let's be real, life happens. Your car breaks down, the washing machine floods the floor, the dentist suddenly needs a small fortune, and in that moment, most people don't feel reckless. They feel responsible. They swipe the card and crisis handled. Think about what Albert Einstein once said. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. When you use a credit card as an emergency fund, you are the one who's paying it. You get stuck in the debt loop where you're always chasing your own tail. Instead of your own money growing for you, it is growing for the bank. Credit cards give instant relief, but they don't remove the problem. They move it. Instead of one emergency, you've now got a balance, a minimum payment, and less room for the next surprise. And life is very good at standing the next surprise. The truth. Borrowing from your future. Here's the truth most people never think about. When you use a credit card for emergencies, you're saying, future me will handle this, but future you is already busy paying bills, buying groceries, trying to save, trying to breathe. And now future you is paying interest. An otherwise reminder says, interest works for you or against you. At 25% interest, a $1,000 emergencies quietly become $1,250 or more. It hangs around far longer than the original problem. Credit card separates the pain of paying from the moment of buying. Your brain thinks you got help, but the bills always shows up later, louder and heavier. If this tip helped you even a little, make sure you subscribe. I share simple money truth like this every week. No shame, no struggle lives. And a better way to look at it. Say this with me. Credit cards are not emergency funds. They're debt with a delay. A real emergency fund does one powerful thing. It lets you handle problems without stealing from your future. And that's where calm begins. Escape. The $1,000 baby emergency fund. Now pause. Don't panic at the number. This is called a baby emergency fund for a reason. It's not perfect. It's not forever. It's just enough to stop the cycle. A wise principle says, you don't need a perfect plan. You need a protected one. Step number 1, keep it separate. Open a separate high-yield saving account at a different bank. Do not order a debit or ATM card for this saving account and physically cut up the card if one is sent to you. Set it up so that drawing money from it requires a physical visit to a branch to create an inconvenient barrier. No debit card, no temptation. Step number 2, build it fast, not fancy. For the next 30 days, pause any small extras, sell unused item, pack lunch a few more times, Rent out the spare room that you're not using. This isn't punishment. It's a short sprint for a long-term peace. Step number 3, make progress visible. Every $50 or $100 saved, track it, color it in, celebrate it. Progress you can see keeps you going. Step number 4, emergency only. This money has one job: car repairs, medical bills, job loss. If it is planned, it is not an emergency. If it can wait, it doesn't touch this fund. And why this changes everything? Once you have this buffer, panic lowers, decision improve, credit card lose their power. A wise saying fits perfectly here. Peace is priceless, but preparation buys it. And here's the beautiful part. You don't stop at $1,000. That first $1,000 is just your proof. Proof that you can save, that you can follow through, and you are capable. From there, you don't rush, you don't stress, you just keep going, little by little, one small win at a time. And before you even realize it, that baby fund grows into 6 months of expenses. That's when something changes. You breathe easier, you sleep better, you stop panicking when life throws a surprise. That's real safety, and that's real peace. And that is when real money stress starts to loosen its grip, and you finally feel that quiet sense of security you've been working so hard for. And tell me in the comments below, what's one small money choice you're making this week for your future self? I read every one of them. All right, let's put a smile on your face. Why did the credit card go to jail? Because it was guilty as charged. Now that we are smiling, let me say this from my heart. I'm sharing all this because your peace of mind truly matters to me. I want you to sleep well at night, knowing that if something breaks, you don't panic. You've got the cash to handle it. That $1,000 fund is not just money. It's proof that you are in control and money is no longer controlling you. And here's the honest truth. This emergency fund is a powerful start, but it won't keep you wealthy if your daily habits are quietly working against you. There are a few habits that good, hard-working people repeat every day. Without realizing, they are keeping themselves stuck in the middle-class struggle. If you want to know which habits those are and exactly how to fix them starting right now, click the next video right here. I'll walk you through the 5 habits that changed my life and help build a $3 million retirement without burnout, without deprivation, and without giving up joy. So go watch that now, and I'll see you over there.